Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Gemini. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gemini, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so the Devil in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, Hermit, Page of Pentacles, Two of Swords, center of my spread, with the Two of Cups, the World card, Page of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, Gemini. So there could be some kind of stagnation going on in this connection, right? Maybe somebody was choosing between two paths. Something happened here, but I have a feeling somebody's in deep reflection now. They have learned their lesson. They don't want to juggle anymore. They want to remove the toxicity from this connection, this stagnation which has come upon this connection. Somebody is realizing that they do love their partner a lot. This is my Two of Cups. I don't want to end this chapter. I want another go around. But the problem is that they're still not saying anything. They could be spying. They could be gathering information. They could be watching from the sidelines. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to start, Gemini, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. And then we'll do the clarification. So, Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Thank you. Let's take a few more gems from another deck. Gemini and their person. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person spirit. Thank you. All right, good to go, gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in. We could be a strong power couple. Second one here says, it hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? This could be in the past. Maybe somebody was always juggling or had addictions or not choosing or choosing not to see the love that was being presented to them. Okay. Next one says, nothing and no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. I always chose you. Every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, if you choose me, show me that you mean it. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. Do you think about me? Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. All right, gems. So these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first for this read, okay? A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the advice that the angels have for you, instead of just watching from the sidelines and not really communicating and saying what you feel and always kind of staying shut off, speak your truth. If you love somebody, don't just tell them, but also show them. Speak your truth. That's the advice. Okay. So now, Spirit, tell me, what's the Devil in reverse? What's the Devil in reverse? I think one person could Okay, one person probably saw that person as a bit of a magician, saying things, doing things, not, but in a magician sort of way, right? Right now it's here, now it's not, kind of a thing. And maybe one person got stuck, I mean, unstuck from the situation and said, hey, I can't deal with this. I can't deal with only words. Where is the action? So, if you're not going to take action, then I'm going to kind of halt this connection. I'm not going to be part of any competition, conflict, stress, tension. This is becoming toxic, right? What is the point of having you say things? See, this card said your action, your words don't match with your action. That's a magician. They will give you illusions about what can happen, but it never happens. It's all talk, 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 and nothing else. So I think one person realized that this is getting very toxic and it's time to release. I'm not going to be juggled. I am dropping the ball. Two of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there's a lot of thinking about that. Hermit, twice over already about the ending. Now, this could be the other person who's now thinking about why this ending happened. Hermit. Both of you could be in isolation from each other. There was another card which said that, right? Staying away from you hurts me. You're having to keep my distance. Somebody is thinking heavily about this ending, this betrayal, this ending, why it happened, why the stagnation happened. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Okay, what's this Hermit thinking? First, let's do this. Hermit, what you thinking? They're thinking about their wish fulfillment. They're thinking about their person being the star of their life, their wish fulfillment, which who they don't want to end things with. Even though the betrayal has happened, maybe the person has already released this connection, gotten unstuck from this toxic situation, but the Hermit now, this is I think the other person who's now thinking, oh my God, I don't want this to end. This was my happiness, this was my wish come true. But the truth of the matter is there is stagnation. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, because this feminine energy, I think, who has released this toxic situation, was not respected. This offer was not given. They were made to feel ungrounded. They could be right now upset and angry because that commitment that they hoped would be given was not given. And so now, right now, there could be complete stagnation, stalemate, like total stalemate. Two of Swords, Spirit. Why is this the center of my spread? Yes, somebody, I think this is this Queen of Pentacles who's now learned to protect themselves, maybe now looking at other directions. They feel it's time now to heal myself. This connection made me feel very imbalanced. Always being torn between two paths, my person never making a decision. This Queen of Pentacles somewhere feels that the person of theirs was being just emotionally manipulative towards them. Right? This is like a sweet talker who doesn't deliver, or somebody who doesn't open up their emotions to show the path. What are we going to do next? So what's the Two of Cups then, Spirit? Two of Cups. Two of Cups. Somebody is now realizing what they've lost. Somebody is now realizing what they've lost. They've lost their soulmate. Now somebody is realizing this was my Two of Cups. This is the one that I want. This is the one who makes all my dreams come true. This is the one I want to have victory with. I think they are mirroring this Queen of Pentacles and also trying to get rid of any past bad behavior or the toxicity which has come into this connection. They're struggling very hard with their spirituality, connecting with their spirit guides, trying to understand, trying to, figure out what went wrong in this beautiful union. They definitely don't want this connection to end. Gemini, this Hermit has been enlightened or awakened. They don't want this connection to end. In fact, they want another go around. The World card. World card. Yes, they want to apologize. They want to apologize to this Queen of Pentacles now. They don't want to shut this chapter down. But the problem here is that their person could have already walked away. They've walked away very, very far away, and so far that maybe you guys are not even really messaging each other or talking much to each other. So somebody is really afraid that this Queen of Pentacles could have already left and to a point of no return. So instead of actually coming forward and speaking their truth, this Hermit is from the sidelines watching. They're spying, they're watching, they're trying to get information. Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Page of Swords. This person doesn't have the courage. They don't have the courage. They as much as they want to rush forward and do the right thing or say something, this person doesn't have the courage because they are realizing that they are the ones who stirred this connection in the wrong direction. Now they're feeling totally stuck. They're feeling bad luck, bad karma is coming towards them. Maybe they're worried about gossip or rumor, or they're trying to find out through gossip and rumor about where this person has gone. Yes, because they know that this is my Two of Cups, second time round. Heart of Hearts, they may just surprise you. I don't know which side you're on, Gemini, but this person could suddenly, out of the blue, make their move. Because they know this is my Two of Cups and I want it now. Okay, so I think they've spent enough time watching, waiting, spying, trying to gather information, and being in hermit mode, more and more realizing that this is my Two of Cups twice over. Two of Cups, Two of Cups. And this is one person coming in, at least wanting to. I don't know how soon, because they still seem to be watching from the sidelines. So Spirit, Knight of Pentacles in reverse is our overall energy, which normally means stagnation, right? So why is that our overall energy right now? Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Somebody is very, very guilty. That's why there's stagnation. Somebody's got a lot of guilt, shame, remorse, sadness. Maybe because they didn't put the work in the past, or maybe there were third parties, I don't know. They are now feeling the brunt of not offering a commitment when the time was right. Right? They never offered this commitment in the past, and now they are wondering, is it too late? Has my person already walked away? They are now realizing what this connection was. But they also know that their person could probably be very protective of their energy now, especially now because there's been a long delay, and there's been bad memories created now. So they're a little worried that this Queen of Swords is not going to allow them back in a hurry. May talk to them, but there's no easy way in anymore. Okay, so but they still want to come and speak their truth, it seems. All right, so they could be waiting, there could be distance between the two of you, they could be planning, but Heart of Hearts, this person knows who their person is, and they are very ashamed of their past actions. So that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.